Conquer the second conditional with phrasal verbs. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll be diving into the world of English phrasal verbs and how we can use them in second conditional sentences. Mastering these phrasal verbs can greatly improve your English fluency and understanding. So, let's get started. Before we delve deeper, let's quickly remind ourselves of the basics. The second conditional is used to talk about unreal, hypothetical situations and their possible results. Its structure is if plus past simple, would plus base verb. Phrasal verbs are verb phrases that consist of 2 or 3 words, a verb and 1 or 2 particles, a preposition or an adverb, or both. For example, give up, turn on, look after, etc. Using phrasal verbs in second conditional sentences follows the same structure. The only difference is that the base verb is now replaced with a phrasal verb. For example, if I had a lot of money, I would give up my job. Meaning I would quit my job. If you turned off your computer, you would save energy. Notice how the phrasal verb fits right into the standard structure of the second conditional. Now it's time to practice creating sentences using phrasal verbs in the second conditional. Here are some exercises. 1. If I, blank, find out the truth, I would be very upset. 2. She would, blank, break down if she lost her job. 3. If he, blank, show up on time, he would not miss the meeting. Can you fill in the blanks using the right phrasal verbs? Pause the video here, try to answer these, and then continue the video to check your answers. Pause. Great! Here are the correct answers. 1. If I found out the truth, I would be very upset. 2. She would break down if she lost her job. 3. If he showed up on time, he would not miss the meeting. That's all for today's lesson. We hope you found this guide to using phrasal verbs in the second conditional useful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to create more sentences of your own. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.